My video guide will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called Django. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes, so I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I got this sample of the ransomware on the VirusTotal database, by the way. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, and this includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Django ransomware may be injected, and when you try to open this specific file, you get a message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with the Django extension. The ransomware also reveals a special ransom note called recovery. It tells that the victims need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of a reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, by the way. Go to the page combocleaner.com through your Internet Explorer browser. Download the program, install it, and then start researching your computer with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. You need to click on Start Scan button, and then the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, so don't skip this very important step. And then after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the scanning will begin. So the scanning itself will take some time. It depends on various factors. For instance, it may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned, and it may depend on how infected the computer is in general. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps you to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the data. Keep this in mind. Now, Combo Cleaner will help you to fully detect and to delete this ransomware from your computer. Let me emphasize again your attention that it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. To remove this ransomware, you need to upgrade to Premium, and you can request for the trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Of course, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations on your computer, but Premium license is a much better solution that will help you to effectively delete this Django ransomware, to remove it effectively from your computer and to protect your data from being damaged in the future. Now, in the description to this video, you'll find a special link which will give you more information on how to protect the data from further ransomware attacks and how to possibly restore your files which were encrypted.